Okay, so does it really matter if you share your Amazon shop information with other influencers? What about if you're sharing it with potential customers? What can actually hurt you here? Well, let's take a look at this, real close, and let's see. First of all, Amazon is going to grade you.
Have you seen my report card? Stop asking me.
So they're going to grade you on retention. They're going to grade you on click-through rates and sales. So if I am sharing my information with another influencer, and the influencer is going to go to my shop and he is just scrolling through, he has no intentions of buying anything. He may not even be watching all the videos. He may just be watching little pieces of them. He is killing my numbers.
I'm going to kill each and every one of you.
So what do you do instead of giving another influencer your shop information? You go ahead and open up yourself a YouTube channel like this, and you upload all of your content to the YouTube channel. Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. That way, they can click on it, watch the video as many times as they want, watch the parts that they want to see, and it's not going to hurt your sales rating with Amazon. And if anything, it's going to give you watch time with YouTube. On top of all of that, if someone is looking for that particular product and they typed it in Google and it pops up your video, they go watch your video, they are going to be able to buy that product through your link and you get paid. So now you've got watch time and you're getting paid. Let me give you another example of where this works very well. If you use deep linking, you'll create one link and you will put that link in your video description on YouTube. And if someone is in, say, Germany, and you are set up in Germany, which I am set up Germany, Australia, Canada, UK, and the US. If anybody watches in any one of those countries and they hit that deep link, it is going to take them to their local store, their local Amazon store, and they can buy that product and I get paid. That is another area where YouTube is great. So do not share your shop information with other creators. And if you're another creator, don't go to their shop and just start watching their videos there, because you're basically going to damage their algorithm. You're going to mess up their system. Watch their videos on YouTube if they've got them on YouTube, or ask them for a special link maybe where you can see their videos, but don't do that unless you're trying to help them. And what I mean by that is, say you're going to go buy a product. You haven't got a video out on that product yet. You're going to buy it. Go ahead and pick somebody that looks like they have a great title, a great video. Watch it, and watch it first before you buy it, so you at least give them credit. I call that paying forward, because hey, we're all creators and we're all trying to make a living here, so help somebody else out. But that is, in a nutshell, why I do not like to share my information to my actual shop there. Now, I will put my shop information on my social media, be it YouTube, be it Facebook, Instagram, any of those areas, because I have a lot of actual shoppers that are there, and they'll hit those links and go through and check out my shop. Now, if you get a couple of, other influencers out there who go in there and look, it's probably not going to hurt you all that much. It's going to have to be a whole lot of them. If you start getting a rush of it, then you might want to pull that off of that. Like say this YouTube channel, I might end up having to pull it off the YouTube channel just so that people aren't going in there and just, watching all the videos without any intent of buying. So there you go, guys. I hope you got a little something out of this episode. If you're not a subscriber, be sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and be sure you leave me a comment. I appreciate it, and we will see you guys on the next one.